Hey guys, status for Tuesday, April 2nd. Here's our general disclaimer. Give this a read when you're done so. Let's move on. Here, starting out with the tick US model. Thing to note is I did see a bit of a reversal on Monday. More towards the afternoon, we are now below short-term moving average ribbon. This is starting to invert to the downside. Longer-term moving average ribbon is still fully inverted. It's trying to flatten out. However, now probably likely to trend lower again with a cumulative tick below it. Filtered tick did see a little bit of net selling on the day, and new lows, new highs essentially the same. New highs slightly outpacing. Going over here to the tick ARCX model. Thing to note here, really just starting to get the makings of a pullback. Still below the longer term moving average ribbon that is fully uninverted, trending higher. All signals are turned on. Note when we normally cross the short term moving average ribbon from above, kind of a good take profit signal on some of the gains if you captured it from the bottom. So yeah, really the bulls want to see a stabilization sideways to higher. Bears obviously want to see further waterfall. Here looking at these are the indices with the the 10 a.m. gamer script. Really not a lot to say here, not a ton of interaction with our levels yesterday. Kind of choppy action that we suspected with yesterday's um, market status. Really the thing to note, IWM, you could have played a play like some kind of P-trans or Plexigus if Gex if you wanted to on the 5-minute chart. On the 2-minute chart, you would have seen a lot more consolidation here right around P-trans. You decide your risk against. But yeah, other than that, really not a ton to say here. Looking at liquidity stocks, again, a lot of chop, not a ton to say there. And second set of liquidity stocks I look at, again, not a ton to say. You did have Amazon, not really trading in line with the market in the morning. Did have a sell-off from P-trans down to 0gex, consolidation around 0gex, and for the breakdown, COTMP. Meta did find support around 0gex, COTMP, and moves higher. So now looking at our 5 p.m. scripts. Tomorrow, again, not a ton to say here. One thing to note on SPY, 415 is sort of a big transition level. That's right where we did close yesterday. So something to keep in mind there. IWM, QQQ is really quite a bit of ways from any key levels right there, so not a ton to do, at least at the open tomorrow. However, depending on how our levels shift, maybe there's something to do. We'll just have to wait for the updates here in a couple hours. Then liquidity stocks, not a ton to say here. Microsoft, perhaps if we get some kind of retest down to P-trans and move back up, something there. Yeah, and then lastly, looking at second set of liquidity stocks, Netflix, actually good setup here right below 0gex. So if we get some kind of move higher in the morning, 0gex to P-trans, maybe a breakout retest and a breakout higher. And yeah, so with that, really not seeing a ton right now, just in between levels, kind of choppy ranges. So really, I would temper expectations right now, but depending on how levels update, levels could have shifted overnight, and maybe there are trade setups. If there are, I'll try and let you guys know. But yeah, again, no trades yesterday, and not expecting to really do a ton today either. So with that, see y'all in a little bit. Bye.